Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Kakinada location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for spares in charge position from M&N Motors located in Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. And this is about the job description. You can go through it once. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for further details about this job position. The number is 7893122669. Next, HDFC Bank is hiring for the position of RBP PB Teller Authorizers located in Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. And this is about the job description. You can check with the details provided, and for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for Collection Associate Cross-Sell position from HDB Financial Services Limited. It is located in Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, and they are going to offer a salary range between 3 lakhs to 5 lakh rupees per annum. And you can check with the job description mentioned here. Coming to roles and responsibilities, you should be responsible for collection efficiency on timely manner, responsible for effective cost management, understanding and managing healthy portfolio. So these are the responsibilities you have to be needed to apply for this position. Interested candidates, you can also check in the website link provided here for more detailed information about this job vacancy. Next, there is a job opening for Collection Associate CV position from HDB Financial Services Limited. It is located in Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. And coming to qualification details, degree candidates are eligible to apply, and you should be having 1 year of experience into CV business. And coming to responsibilities, work under targets, need to do collections, should do the self sourcing, should maintain the collections, and need to achieve the targets. So these are the responsibilities you need to be required to apply for this position. Interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for teacher position. It is from Sri Prakash Synergy School located in Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. They are going to offer a salary range between 15,000 to 50,000 rupees per month for this position, and you can also check with the job description mentioned here, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this job vacancy. The number is 7013639419. Next, there is a job opening for sales coordinator position from Baby Wall located in Kakinada, and they are going to offer a salary for this position is 10,000 rupees per month. Coming to job description, should involve in day-to-day sales, coordinate with other sales promoters, should maintain good customer relation, and should bring sales growth to the store. So these are the responsibilities you need to be required to apply for this position, and it is a full-time job. Fresher candidates can also eligible to apply for this position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 9133327454. Next, there is a job opening for digital marketing intern position. It is from Ashwa Creative Co. located in Kakinada, and you can check here with the job description mentioned here. So coming to qualification and skills details, and you should having the knowledge of MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, Google Analytics, and Google AdWords. So you should be having knowledge on the platforms provided here. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 8886499333. Next, there is a job opening for marketing executive position from Ambience Decario located in Kakinada. So they are going to offer a salary range between 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month for this position. Coming to skills details, You should be having excellent communication skills in English, Hindi, and Telugu to exhibit the company profile and generate leads by visiting builders, construction companies or sites, and professional clients, meeting prospective clients as per the appointments, work to maximize sales and meet targets, monitoring and analyzing market trends, exploring ways of improving existing services and increasing profitability, willingness to travel, meeting new customers, and needness to in maintaining the relationship will be the preferred qualities. Collecting customer feedback and market research. So these are the skills required mentioned here. You please go through it once, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for detailed information about this job vacancy. The number is 7793939289. Next, there is a job opening for BSc nursing position from Nadipati Healthcare located in Kakinada, and they are going to offer a salary for this position is 20,000 rupees per month. So this hospital is recruiting people in different categories to work in their hospital, AP and Telangana. So interested candidates for this job vacancy, you can contact them with the given phone number for more details about this job vacancy. The number is 888501 1325. Next, there are many job openings available from Sandhya College of Physiotherapy. So it is located in Kakinada. So it is hiring for the positions of stenographer, office assistant, and attender positions. And all these positions, each one having one vacancy. So interested candidates for these job openings, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9581394444. Next, there are so many job openings available from Paidah College of Engineering. It is located in Kakinada. So, this educational institution is hiring for the following posts such as ABO or Superintendent, Accountant, Librarian, Network Administrator, Physical Director, Office Assistants, Supervisors, Hostel Warden. It is for male candidates. And last one, electrician and plumber positions. So, these many positions are available from the by the College of Engineering. So they are mentioned here the salary details also for all the positions. Interested candidates, if you are suitable to apply for any of the job positions available here, you can walk into the interview to the given address details, and they have provided here the email ID and as well as a website link. You can check in the website link for more detailed information about this job vacancy. Next, there are job openings available from Medha CBSE school. It is located in Kakinada, Panaspadu. So, this school is hiring for the positions of teacher, positions to teach all subjects. Qualification will be BEd or MEd with any degree or PC. So, this will be the qualification details. And the candidate should be fluency in English. Salary is negotiable. Interested candidates, you can call to this number, that is 6300706027. So for more detailed information about this job vacancies, I'll read once again, 6300706027. Next, there are vacancies available from Sadhana High School. It is located in Kakinada location. So this school is hiring for the positions of teachers to teach all subjects for pre-primary and for first to fifth classes. So it is for only female candidates, and English fluency is must for a candidate. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this job vacancies. The number is 9848226333. Next, there are so many job vacancies available from Paida group of institutions. It is located in Kakinada location. So this institutions is hiring for all the positions provided here. You can check with the all job vacancies provided here. Qualification will be BSc and MSc. So interested candidates for any of the job positions, you can walk into the interview with the original certificates, Xerox copies and passport size photos on 1st, 3rd, I mean March 2021 to 6th March 2021 at 9:30 a.m. So this will be the venue. You can check with this, and they have provided here the two contact numbers and email ID. The numbers are first one 0884-231-5333. Second one 9490620156. And if any doubts and queries, you can contact them with the given phone numbers provided here. Next, there are teaching vacancies are available from SR School. It is located in Kakinada location. So they are hiring for teachers for all the subjects. So they have provided here the two contact numbers to approach them. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone numbers for detailed information about the job openings. The numbers are 91608 24848. Second one 91607 54848. Next, Greenwood School. It is hiring for the positions of experienced teachers to teach primary English and Hindi. So this school is hiring for the teaching positions. Interested candidates for these job openings, you can approach them with the given phone number. It is located in Kakinada location. The number is 7386200555. Next, Kshetra School is hiring for the positions of teachers for LKG and UKG standards. Salary is dependent on the experience, skills and qualification. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number. It is located in Kakinada only. So the number is 83744 So that's it in this video, guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.